Hello everyone, this is Zoe from BTW Media, and today I've got a chance to talk with Plutoless. He's a co-founder of 10, which is Transformative Extensions Network. And also in this interview, we have discussed in detail about Astra Agent Demo, which is coded with 10's framework. And also we've discussed about Plutoless on experience and his view on technology. So if you're interested in it, please continue to watch. Could you please introduce yourself a little bit?
Yeah, sure. I graduated from Oxford and finished my master's degree of computer science there. Glad to see everyone here and nice to have a talk with.
Yeah, thank you so much. As you said, you were from Oxford.
Yeah.
So I would like to ask, how did your academic experience at Oxford shape your approach to real-time interactive technology and also developer experience?
Yeah, so as I said, I was finishing my master's degree of computer science in Oxford. So I did my master's degree there mainly because I'm really into computer science. It's my interest and it's my job. So yeah, I really love programming. So I'm a full stack developer. I can do front end, back end, and that's why when AI era came, I can adapt into it so fast. Mainly because we are saying nowadays we are not requiring or seeking for developers or coders. We are actually seeking for builders. So this will require us to have a broader experiences of different technology stacks. So that's why actually it helped me a lot when I learned AI technology. I joined the interactive or real-time industry like 7 years ago. I was pretty new to like video, audio, all kinds of things. But because I really love technology and I can do almost all technology stacks, that's why I can really adapt to real-time industry very quickly. So the experience I had for my master's degree in Oxford really helped me a lot to consolidate my knowledge of computer science fundamentals so that I can learn technologies very fast.
Yeah, that's impressive that you are so interested in this industry. I think that's kind of very luck.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes. And also, as a co-founder and head of developer experience at Astra, what guides your team's work and also innovation?
I think there are mainly 2 points. First thing is we want best. So we all know that we have lots of technologies. When you are building a real-time multi-modal AI agent, you have SDT, you have TTS, you have so many models to use. So the motivation when we try to pick a model is simple. So we only pick the top one. For example, TTS, maybe I can't mention the name, but we all know that in different countries, for different language, you have different top TTS models.
Yes.
So the motivation when we are going to choose or pick one extension to build for community is never related to business or monetization. So we only consider if this is working great and if this will be beneficial to community. And that's one thing. And second thing is whether this will actually help community. For example, at the very beginning, we only have SDT, LM, and the TTS. So it's very essential, important for us to find the missing piece first. Then we'll also take that as priority. Also, for example, currently we are working on RAG. So we're also seeking like community partners which can help us solve this kind of area. So mainly these 2 factors will help us to build our things better and to choose better community partners for innovations and making our frameworks better, easy to use.
Yeah, I heard a lot of contribution to this community. So could you please specify like the biggest contribution you have made or your team has made?
I think the greatest achievement we have done is we have made it so simple. So damn simple for you to build a multi-modal AI agent. So I think it's actually quite common that when you talk to a developer, especially after they see the release notes of ChatGPT 4.0, so if you are a developer or programmer or AI builder, you would certainly be willing to ask yourself, how can I do something similar to that? So, and then you will figure out, okay, I know how to use LM, I know how to use RESTful API to talk to a AI via text model. But then sooner or later you find out that, okay, I don't know how to deal with video, I don't know how to deal with audio. What is encoder, decoder? How can I transmit or transfer data, audio, video data, like with low latency? how can I guarantee the performance? You have no idea, especially for developers who are more expertise in like AI or algorithm area. It will be so difficult for them to do engineering stuff. So what made me proud of is we have made this thing really simple, so that even you have no idea how video, audio, or real-time RTC works, you can still make it. So we actually have had a workshop with E-model like a few weeks ago, and we actually have an algorithm developer there who only works on algorithm and large language models. And he actually made it by following the tutorials we provided in workshop. He managed to build a real-time interactive voice assistant himself. And he actually customized the prompts of that agent to make it fit to his needs. That's my ambitions, and try to help or empower developers to achieve these kind of things without need to know everything. Yeah.
Yeah, that's impressive. So with years of professional experience in the real-time interactive field, what key trends have you observed? And also, how is Astra adapting to these trends?
Yeah, what I usually say nowadays is, so we all know that in around 2000, so people are starting to use the internet. So they go to chat rooms to chat with each other via text. And in last couple of years, we start to use like live video, live audio. We see live streamings, we do live education, we do live conferencing. We have meetings when we don't really need to sit like next to each other. We only need the network and the video audio. And I think same thing is happening for AI now. We have experienced the last 2 years. We use text to talk to AI agent. We can use lots of tools to, or large language model frameworks to build AI agents. But the main approach that you interact with the AI agent is still via text model. And I believe the transition from text model to multi-modal, including at least video and audio, will soon be realistic. In old days, people are programming to build applications for people to interact with each other. But now we are building AI to interact with human, like interactively. So it's the way how to program AI. It's totally new style of programming. And I think Astra will play an important role there, especially for when you want to build a multimodal real-time interactive AI agent. It will help you a lot, so you don't need to worry too much. So I also wish Astra can be the main tools or frameworks, just like nowadays you use React to build most web applications. And in my vision, Astra should also be part of that in the future. When you build an AI agent, it will be the core framework and tools for you.
Yeah, we're so looking forward to the contribution of
Okay.
Astra.
Yeah.
Yeah. So looking ahead, what are some of the long-term goals you have for your work in real-time interactive technology and also developer experience?
I'm still new to the AI area.
So humble.
Yeah, really. So actually, I know nothing like 6 months ago. I'm really new to this area. And this was actually the same situation for most of AI developers and real RTC developers. So they are basically two different group of people. They don't know each other before, but the release of ChatGPT 4 actually takes them together. So I think I'll spend more time on this because technology keeps changing. It will be important for me to absorb this knowledge and try to keep myself up to date. And also for developer experiences, actually that's actually my main job now. I think developer experience is very important, especially now for AI. You will see lots of people who have almost no programming experiences, but still you will need to help them to build a complicated AI agent with their limited knowledge. So it will be quite important for how you to design these tools, just like we have codes and like DeFi or these kind of tools that you can, even for a product manager, you can be able to build your own AI agent. So that's the same thing we were talking for developer experience. In old days, we were talking to developers, coders, but now we'll have more target people group, including like non-technical persons. So I think the developer experiences will be referring to a more wider range, and I'll be interested in digging this area deeper and gain more experiences and expertise.
Yeah. Thank you for sharing very much. And I have learned a lot from that.
Thank you.
Thank you so much to have this talk with that. And I think everyone also has so interested in Astra right now. So we're so looking forward to Astra's next step or like contribution and more.
Yeah, we are open source on GitHub, so take a look. So we are on, you just search for astra.ai on GitHub, you'll be able to find our repository. And if you like our open source project, feel free to start us or focus. And it's very welcome to raise a PR to us if you have any, you are willing to do some contributions. Thank you.
Yes, welcome. And also follow BTW Media, and we are looking forward more videos. Yeah, bye.
Bye, thank you.